about it a little bit later is that muscles, you learn, they go from the origin to an insertion, right? And so one muscle does one function based on its origin and insertion. But actually, the muscles are attached, they lay right next to each other. Your rotator cuff muscles, the external rotators, are right on top of the internal rotators. You dissect it if you were in Bayshore, right? You see that happen. So the muscle the neighbor muscle has an impact on, one muscle has an impact on its neighbor. It turns out that if you did this in surgery or a cadaver, this research has been done. If you took two muscles lying next to each other, like PL and PB, and you sliced in half, you did a cross-section of the entire PL, and then you contracted PB, you would still get tension in PL. Even though PL isn't cut in two totally separate halves, because the neighboring muscle pulled part of it along with it. Right? It's just like you trying to pull off your jacket and you end up with your t-shirt off too. Same idea. Whereas if you took the PL and PB and you dissected in between them, not cut and cross it, but you separated them all the way to their full length, and then you contract PB, no contraction in PL, even though PL might be intact. These are studies that have been done both in surgery and living humans and cadavers and animals. So you're just using your finger as a surgical knife to separate two. And, it's easiest to do it in between compartments for the beginner, anterior versus lateral compartment, that's easy. But you can do this between every muscle, hamstrings, every single muscle. All right, go out guys, get your other teammates.